If you have purchased a CardioCoach app upload subscription from core.com, you may be familiar with uploading results to and exporting workouts from your client's CardioCoach mobile app. Now, you can do the same with their Garmin Connect IQ app. As your client goes to set up their Garmin Connect app, have them check if their watch is Connect IQ compatible. They can see a list of compatible devices on the IQ App Store on the CardioCoach page under Additional Information. Exporting results will be exactly the same on your end as it is with the mobile app. Simply click Send to App from the software, and your client will receive an email with their PIN number. If they are using the CardioCoach Garmin app, make sure they go into the app settings on the Connect IQ App Store to put in their email and PIN. Then, they will need to go to their watch to finish importing their results. Garmin workouts on the CardioCoach Connect IQ app will automatically export to your client's mobile app. So if you currently ask them to email their workouts, they will still be able to do so by opening the workout and hitting the mail icon. If you want to see additional heart rate zone information from Garmin workouts, have your client send you their workout from their Garmin Connect mobile app. They can do this by hitting the Share button on their Garmin Connect activity. If you have them send a web link, you will be able to see workout details on your web browser, even if you don't have a Garmin Connect account. Note that you'll be able to compare different pieces of data, like comparing target zones to actual zones, or comparing heart rate to target zones. If you do have a Garmin Connect account, you will be able to view your clients' workouts automatically, without requiring clients to send you each individual workout. Start by adding your clients as connections. On the browser, simply navigate to Connections and use the search bar to find your client. On the mobile app, you can send them a link inviting them to connect. Once connected, you can click on each client to view their workouts, listed as activities. These activities will also appear on your newsfeed. If you want to organize your clients in groups, navigate to Groups on GarminConnect.com. You can create a group in the top right corner, or click into a group that's already created. Once inside the group, click the three dots in the top right to invite your clients to join the group. Once they have joined your group, they will show up under Members, where you'll be able to click on each of their profiles and see their activities. If you are unable to see your client's information, ask them to check and adjust the privacy settings on their profile.